one on your own before watching the video. So if you haven't tried this one, pause this video, try it, and then we'll work it together. Okay, here we go. First here, the first thing we need to do is combine like terms. So there we go, 4c minus c. Remember, this is just a 1c. So we have 3c plus 8 equals 8 plus 2c. Okay, we need to get the c on one side. So all the c's on one side, everything else on the other. So what I'm going to do now is subtract 2c from both sides to get the c's on the left. What does that give us? Well, we have c plus 8 equals 8. And now I'm just going to subtract 8 from both sides. That gives us c equals 0. Okay, there we go. All right, there's that one. Let's try another one. And again, you can always check to see if you did that right by plugging in. Okay, so if we plug in 0 up here for c, right, we'd get 4 times 0 plus 8 minus 0. Does that equal 8 plus 2 times 0? Well, anything with multiplied by 0 is 0, so those kind of drop away, these drop away, and that gives us 8 equals 8, which is indeed true. So this does check out. Okay, let's try another one here. All right, 20 equals negative 3 times quantity 2x minus 1 plus 7x. All right, so again, try this on your own, then we'll work it together. Here we go. The negative 3 gets distributed through to both those terms. That gives us 20 equals negative 6x minus 3 plus 7x. Okay, let's combine like terms here. We have a 6x and a negative 6x and a 7x. So we get 20 equals, well, negative 6x plus 7x is positive 1x. So that's just going to be x minus 3. And finally, I'm going to add a 3 to both sides here. 23 equals x. And there's nothing wrong with having an x on the right-hand side like that. You could say x equals 23. You could say 23 equals x. Those are the same thing. And again, if you wanted to, or if you had time, you could plug this in to check, plug it into x, and check to make sure that this equality is satisfied.